Welcome. In front of me is an Infinix Smart 7 and today I'll go over an unboxing of this phone. So, just get straight into it. Now there's a couple informations and the only info that I could find about this device, at least correct one. So going into it, it comes with 64 gigabytes of built-in storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM. Don't get fooled by this. 3 plus 3 doesn't actually equal 6 in terms of RAM, because 3 gigs of storage is not equivalent to 3 gigs of RAM. So I would actually not recommend even utilizing this function, because when your device starts utilizing it, most likely with this phone, it's going to cause you even bigger slowdowns. So the RAM that is pulled from storage is significantly slower whenever the phone needs to use it. Obviously, just a absolute mess will begin. So yeah. Now, at the back we have a super enduring smooth. What? Okay, maybe that's just lost in translation, but whatever. Up to 6 gigabytes of RAM, incorrect. Up to 6 gigabytes of, I guess, flash storage. That would be probably more correct. Storage is not RAM. I can't stress this enough. So don't get fooled by this. I love how they're calling it extended RAM. No, it's storage. That's basically what it is. Now moving on, we have 6.6-inch big HD plus display. I love how they called it big. That's an opinion, not a specification, but okay. 5,000 milliamp hour battery, fingerprint and face recognition. We have 13 megapixel camera and 3D textured. Okay, I guess I'll find out what that is once I get inside of the box. Okay, let's get in here and let's look at the 3D design. Yoink. Okay, so that's it. That's basically it. Welcome to the 2012, I guess, with the texture backs like this one's. Now under here we get a charger. This looks like a 5-watt charger. Nope, it's a 10-watt as of. So 10-watt charger. We get a cable for charging. This is a, oh goodness, it's a micro USB. Oh God, no. They did not. February 9th, 2023. And these dumb mother effers decided to include this in their device. This was used a decade ago. Then we get a headphones. They're wired, whatever. And we also have a case. It's a plastic hard case, and that's basically it. So let's just pop it on just so everyone can see how this looks like. You can actually get it in there. There we go. So there's our device. So, to be completely honest, this device probably, I haven't checked, but I can guess it costs about $100. And for that price, I think I would prefer to go with a Xiaomi device that will perform a little bit better and give me a USB Type-C port instead of a micro USB, which, come on. Luckily, European Union is going to start spanking each manufacturer like that tries to pull this kind of shit off with their phones. And, well, I think starting from 2024. So half a year more to go before no one can put micro USB on phones anymore. Can't wait. So anyway, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.